Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're just going to clean up the code on the opponent's strike scripts and then we're just going to test things out. So it's going to be a fairly short video and we're going to do exactly what we did for the player. So we no longer need the Vector 3 Player 1 impact point, so let's get rid of that. Obviously we'll get rid of it out the void start as well. And again we're going to delete those two lines from the on trigger stay. So let's save that off. And now we've just got to go through and do the same for the others. So let's have a look. Opponent high kick is already done. And we're just going to go through. I know I've done some of these before, so we will go through and check them all. So let's check player 1. All of these should have been removed. So player high kick, again we can get rid of the impact point. So there is one we've missed. So let's go through and delete them excuse me, out the on trigger state as well. So play punch left, the exact same thing. Let's remove the variable, out the void start, and the last two lines in the stay function. And finally for the player punch right, so let's get rid of those and we're going to save those all off. So I'll just grab my controller and we'll hit play. So I've just got the mute audio if you look at the top right, just so you can hear me while we're doing this. So let's have a look now where the actual the hit sparks are instantiating. So as you can see, we've still got the same bug when it's registering a hit on the player when it shouldn't be, but at least it's actually instantiating in the correct place. And same as if I kick the opponent. So there, when we low kick, let's just, and I'll probably actually go ahead and make adjustments to this prefab, the hit sparks one, because it is a little over the top, but at least they're in the correct place now. So let's stop that there. And I'm just going to start this up again, and we're just going to take another look at it. So we know we have one bug that we need to correct. That's when it's registering the opponent striking the player when it shouldn't be. So we know we need to sort out that particular bug. Now, I've just had a look on that, and sorry, because with the opponent going into attack mode, obviously it's still trying to attack. That's another thing that we need to fix, so that is two things, and I'll just stop that there. And another one, the hit sparks actually stay. You'll probably want to go back and watch that portion of the video again, but the hit sparks stay where they instantiated. It would be better if they moved slightly with the actual player or opponent, and just so they look like they're coming from them. But we'll have a look at doing that later, I think. We've got some we've got one pretty much major bug that we need to fix, and we also have one other thing that we need to fix, or more or less finish off. That's the opponent AI. As you can see, it's still attacking. We'll fix that, and we'll get onto the opponent AI as soon as we've fixed the other problems. But I think we'll leave it here for now. In the next video, we'll pick this up again, and we'll continue on for now, polishing the code we have. And as I said, then we can actually carry on with the opponent AI, which obviously is the main work that we need to actually do for this type of game. But we'll leave it here for now. As I said, it's only going to be a quick video, so I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and I shall see you next time. So until then, as always, bye for now.